So 5th grade number talk, week 4 video, focuses on making landmark or friendly numbers to help you with multiplication. So like if we look at 3 times 98, instead of thinking that as 3 times 98, what if we actually think of it as being 3 times 100, which we know is 300. We know 98 is 2 less. So this is the biggest place to be careful. Remember, you have 2 3's less. So if you think about this, you're taking away 3 2's, because 100 minus 2 is your 98. 3 2's, so that means it's 300. Lose 6. So your answer is 294. Okay. When we look at B, we have 6 times 349. I would personally look at this and break it up with friendly numbers this way. I'd say, okay, well, I know that 6 times 300 is 1800. I know that 6 times 50 is 300. So that gives me 2,100 total. But I have to remember, I included one extra 6, because 50 sixes, I only have 49 sixes. So if I let myself subtract 6 from this, then I know my answer is 2,094. When we look at the next one down the bottom, look at C. I like to think about it and recognize that there's 25 4's and 100. So if I say, well, 16, if I divide 16 by 4, then I have 4. Because I know that 25 4's is 100. So I'm left with 4 times 100, which is 400. I know others don't think of it that way, so another way we can look at it is this way. We can say, well, what if I made 16, and I said, wait a second, let me make that into 20. So if I know that 25 times 2 is 50, so that's 500. But 16 is 4 less than 20. So 4 25's less. So that means I'm subtracting 100. So again, I'm left with my answer of 400. The 16 times 25 is actually definitely a few different ways you could break that down using landmark numbers. It's really up to you. Like I said, I like to look at, well, I know that there's 25 groups of 4 is 100. So if I just say, well, if I'm multiplying 25 by 4, couldn't I divide 16 by 4? So then I have 400. If some people say, I don't look at it that way, again, then we could break it up another way too. Thank you very much.